After an unforgettable day of sightseeing, it's time for our final full day in Darjeeling. Slow, simple, and full of charm. Hi, this is Meghna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the final episode of my Darjeeling series. The morning greeted us with heavy rain again, but we were fortunate to see clear skies later. First things first, morning tea. Thought of having at Glenaris this time, but it was closed. It was only 7:30 in the morning, so it's justifiable. So we walked around a bit, clicked some pictures at the famous Glenaris spot, and went on to Flores, one of the most loved cafes in Darjeeling. The morning tea here feels almost like a ritual. The place is quiet, warm, and filled with soft clink of cups and gentle conversations. We ordered Darjeeling tea, obviously, and it came with complimentary biscuits that were too delicious. With a hot cup of tea in hand, sitting by the window, watching the town slowly come alive, it's a moment of calm that you don't rush through. Mornings are meant to be slow and comforting. So after that tea, we walked up to the Darjeeling railway station for a ride in the infamous toy train. Our day begins with the iconic Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, lovingly known as the toy train. Although morning rain had slowed things down a bit, but by the time we reached this train station, the weather has eased. This is the Darjeeling Toy Train station, nothing fancy but full of character. Declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this little blue train has been running through the hills for more than a century. The place felt quiet and relaxed, with people just waiting around, some clicking pictures and some simply watching the train tracks. You can see families, couples, travelers like us, all excited in their own way. Some have been here before, and for some this is their first time, just like me. This is also my first time in Darjeeling. Everyone's just waiting for the same little train. The train moves slowly, and somehow that sets the mood for the whole day. No rush, no hurry, just taking things as they come. The toy train follows this route from Darjeeling Station to Ghum Station with a 20-minute break at the Batashia loop. Only once. This toy train has been featured in many Bollywood films over the years, from old classics to the modern movies. The next stop is Ghum Station, one of the highest railway stations in India. It's a small station, but it carries a lot of history. Situated at above 7,000 feet, everything here feels old school. The signboard, the platform, even the way the train slows down before stopping. Screenshot this for future reference. This is the entire fare and timetable of the toy train. Ghum is also home to the Railway Museum, where we get a glimpse of how the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway has been running for over a century. It just isn't a stop on the route, it's a memory in itself. As it slowly moves along narrow tracks, passing through roads, markets, and mist covered slopes, it feels less like a train ride and more like a moving postcard. After the train ride, we spent a quiet evening at the Mall Road. Just on the Mall Road, you get a glimpse of this Windermere Hotel, which is one of the oldest heritage hotels in Darjeeling.
Morning finds us half awake, curtains breathe in silver light. Your name drifts out then breaks, like a thought I didn't write. Every touch feels out of phase, every word a softer sound. We don't fight, we don't explain, we just let the quiet down. I chase circles in the air, looking for a sharper truth, but it keeps slipping through. There are quiet reasons why the feeling changed. No thunder, no confession, just the color drains. We don't need answers, we don't need to know. Some love leaves gently, like lights at dawn that go. Photographs inside my head, out of focus.
No Darjeeling visit feels complete without a stop at the infamous Glenares, a place that's always buzzing, always familiar, and always inviting. We stopped here for coffee, a warm cup paired with some lively energy of the Mall Road outside. I ordered this hot chocolate and some delicacies, and even a cold coffee. Again, weird combination. The smell of fresh bakes, the sound of people chatting, and the cozy interiors make Glenares feel like a perfect pause in the middle of the day anytime. Whether you are here for coffee, cake, or just the vibe, this place has a way of making you stay a little longer. And here we wrapped up the day. Next day, as we started heading back, the hills slowly changed their mood. Clouds rolled in, light rain followed, and everything outside the window looked fresh and calm. The roads felt quieter this time, wrapped in mist and soft rain. It felt like the hills was giving us a gentle goodbye, unhurried, peaceful, and full of the little moments that stay with you long after the journey ends. And with that, we headed back to the ground from the hills and straight back home. That is it for today. This was the end of my Darjeeling series. See you again from another place. Until then, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.